Today we will study the second property of the rational numbers, that is called commutative property. Commutative. Commutative means a plus b equals to b plus a. That is 2 plus 3. How much? 5. 3 plus 2. How much? 5. So that is 2 plus 3 equals to 3 plus 2. This is called commutative property because the value is same. Okay, let's start from whole numbers. Whole numbers is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, like this. First we'll start with addition. Pick up any two. Suppose I'll take 1 plus 4. How much? 5. What is 4 plus 1? Also 5. The addition is commutative. So addition is commutative. Okay, addition done. Now see subtraction. Subtraction, you see. Suppose 4 minus 3. How much? 1. But what is 3 minus 4? Minus 1, not equal. So subtraction is not commutative. Subtraction is not commutative. Then you take multiplication. What is 2 into 3? 6. What is 3 into 2? Also 6, means equal. So multiplication is commutative. Then you take division. Division means 2 divided by 3. That is 2 by 3. 3 divided by 2. 3 by 2, not same. So not commutative. So subtraction is not commutative. Division is not commutative. Addition, multiplication is commutative. Okay, let us say integers. Integers like 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like this. So let's start. इंटीजर्स में एडिशन. Like 2 plus minus 3. I have taken 2 and minus 3. So 2 plus minus 3 means 2 plus minus is minus 3, that is minus 1. Then what is minus 3 plus 2? Minus 3 plus 2 means minus 3 plus 2, that is also minus 1. So addition is commutative. Addition is commutative. Let us see subtraction. Minus 3 minus plus 2. So I have taken minus 3 and plus 2. Now do subtraction. Minus 3 plus minus is minus 2. That is minus 5. Again you take ulta. Ulta means plus 2, then minus this. Plus 2, then minus 3. This is 2 minus plus 3, 5. Here is minus 5, here is plus 5. So subtraction not commutative. Subtraction not commutative. Okay, then let's take multiplication. Multiplication means minus 2 into 3, suppose. Minus 2 into minus into plus is minus, 2 into 3 is 6. Then 3 minus 2. Same thing, 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is minus 6 equal. So multiplication is commutative. Okay. Then you take division. Suppose 2 divided by minus 4. So how much you will get? 2 by minus 4. Cancel here. 1, 2. Minus 1 by 2. Ulta, minus 4 divided by 2. Minus 4 by 2. 2, 2, 2, 1. Minus 2. Not equal. So division is not commutative. Division is not commutative. Division is not commutative. Okay. This is about integers. Now let's take rational numbers. Now check in the rational number. So rational numbers, जैसे कि 2 by 3 plus minus 4 by 5. One number is 2 by 3. Other one is minus 4 by 5. So how to solve? So here is addition. So LCM 3 5 ja 15. 15 by 3 is 5. 2 into 5. Plus into minus, minus. Then 4, 5 by 15 is 3. How much? 10 minus 12 by 15. How much? Minus 2 by 15. Okay, take ulta. Ulta means first we'll take this one. Then you take minus 4 by 5 plus 2 by 3. Same thing, 15 LCM, minus 4, 15 by 5 is 3, 3 by 15 is, 15 by 3 is 5, minus 12 plus 10 by 15, minus 2 by 15, same. So write addition is commutative. Okay, then take subtraction. जैसे कि 1 by 5 minus 3 by 10. So, how much? 5 10 को LCM, 5 10 को LCM, 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10, 2 1, 5 2 जा 10 is LCM. 10 divided by 5 is 2, 1 into 2 minus 10 by 10 is 1, 3 into 1. So 2 minus 3 by 10. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 by 10. अच्छा, do ulta. Ulta means this minus this. That will be 3 by 10 minus 1 by 5. Take LCM, same 10, 3 into 1 minus 1 into 2. 3 minus 2 by 10, 1 by 10. Look it, this is not equal, this is minus 1 by 10, this is 1 by 10. So, subtraction is not commutative. Then you take multiplication. Multiplication. Multiplication means take 3 by 7, 1 by 5. Multiply 3 by 7. So how to multiply? No cancellation. So 3 into 1 is 3. 7 into 5 is 35. Okay, do ulta. Ulta means this into this. 1 by 5 into 3 by 7. Same thing, 1 into 3 is 3. 7 into 5 is 35. Same. So same means multiplication is commutative. Multiplication is commutative. Then comes division. Two by 5 divided by 3 by 10. 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 10. So that is 2 by 5 ulta. Multiplication, division becomes multiplication, reciprocal. 10 by 3. Cancel here. 5 1, 5 2. 2 2 ja 4. 4 divided by 3 1 ja 3. Okay, now do ulta. Ulta means this divided by this. Now 3 by 10 divided by 2 by 5. 3 by 10 division will be multiplication of ulta is 5 by 2. 5 1 5 2. This became 3 1 the 3 by 4. Here is 4 by 3. Here is 3 by 4. Not same. So division is not commutative. Division is not commutative. These are about what? About your commutative properties. Now we will study third one, associative. The formula is A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. Means here is bracket, here is bracket. If this is same, then we can say this is associative. Third property you are learning, associative property. Okay, first we will start with whole numbers. Whole numbers means zero, 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay, you choose anything A, B, C you choose. Suppose A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. Take left hand side. Left hand side means left hand side. What is left hand side? Now this one. A plus B plus C. A means 1 plus 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is, first you have to do bracket. So that is 1 plus 5. That is 6. Okay, go to right hand side. Right hand side is A plus B plus C. Right hand side is A plus B plus C. Put the values 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 3. That is 6 equal. So in the whole numbers, addition, we have to take addition here, write down. So in the whole numbers, addition is associative. So addition is associative. Then you take subtraction. Subtraction means take the same number. A is 1, B is 2. So first you write the formula. A minus B minus C. Look at here. Equals to A minus B minus C. Formula you see. First last two का bracket, here first two का bracket. Suppose A equals to 1, B is 2, C is 3. So do left hand side. Left hand side, A minus B minus C. 1 minus 2 minus 3. Look at 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. That is minus minus plus 1 plus 1. Because minus into minus plus, that is 2. left hand side you got 2. What is right hand side below? A minus B minus C. Well put करो. 1 minus 2 minus 3. What is 1 minus 2? Minus 1 minus 3. That is minus 4. Not same. So subtraction is not associative. Subtraction is not associative. Okay. Then we will take multiplication. Multiplication means you have to write A into B into C. That is A into B into C. So that is, suppose A equals to 1, B equals to 2, C equals to 3. C equals to 3. Go to left hand side. Left hand side, A into B into C. A into B into C. 1 into 2 into 3. First you have to multiply these two. 1 into 6. 1 into 6 is 6. Go to right hand side. A into B into C. That means 1 into 2 into 3. 1 into 2 is 2 into 3. 6 equal. So multiplication is commutative. Sorry, is associative. Then you take division. Division you have to take A divided by B divided by C. A divided by B divided by C. A divided by B divided by C. Same thing, take A equals to 1, B is 2, C is 3. Okay, left hand side. Left hand side, A divided by B divided by C. 1 divided by 2 divided by 3. 1 divided by, this is 2 by 3. Fraction. So when you multiply, this will be reciprocal. 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Okay. A divided by B divided by C. 1 divided by 2 divided by 3. This is 1 by 2 divided by 3. 3 means 3 by 1. 3 means 3 by 1. That is 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. How much? 1 by 6. Look at, this is 3 by 2, this is 1 by 6. So division is not associative. Division is not associative. Okay.